Here's how to add voice transcription to your Glide app in a few seconds. Start by adding a form. Forms let you collect input from your users and save it directly into a table. Inside the form, add the voice transcription component. This component records audio and automatically turns it into text. Next, choose where you want to store that transcription. Open the Actions menu and select the column in your table where the text should be saved. And that's it. Users can record audio and get instant transcriptions in seconds, all without writing any code.